Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Entremet cake is probably one of the most visually stunning and delicious desserts you can find. This multi-layered French pastry is a symphony of textures and flavors, from the smooth mousse to the crunchy base. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great entremet, exploring its key components and how they come together to create a truly unforgettable treat. Number 5. Silicone baking mats, 3-pack, non-stick. These silicone baking mats are incredibly easy to clean. You can simply wipe them down with soapy water or even put them in the dishwasher. It saves you time and effort after baking. Crafted from food-grade silicone, this mat distributes heat evenly. It's heat-resistant from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it can handle all your baking needs. The non-stick surface makes baking a breeze. You can easily release your baked goods without any grease or parchment paper. It promotes healthy and convenient baking. This mat isn't just for baking cookies and bread. It's also great for holding dinner plates and utensils. It's a versatile tool for your kitchen. Each set includes 3 mats, 2 large and 1 small. This variety of sizes caters to all your baking requirements, making it a perfect addition to your kitchen. What we like? This silicone baking mat is a breeze to clean, saving you precious time in the kitchen. Its non-stick surface ensures your baked goods release effortlessly. If you're looking for a versatile tool for various baking projects, from cookies to bread, this is a great choice. What people say. The cake was beautifully decorated and looked stunning. The layers of the cake were perfectly balanced, with a delightful combination of textures and flavors. The presentation was exquisite, and it was clear that a lot of care and attention had gone into creating this masterpiece. Number 4. Silicone roll mold for mini Swiss rolls. This silicone roll mold is perfect for creating delicious desserts at home. It's ideal for making mini Swiss rolls, chocolate desserts, and other treats for your loved ones. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, this mold is safe and durable. It can withstand daily use in both the oven and freezer, making it a versatile tool for any baker. The mold measures 3.3 by 1.26 inches, with a height of 1.38 inches. The tray size is 11.65 by 6.77 inches. It can handle temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. The flexible surface ensures easy release of your treats. It prevents cracking or breaking, and provides long-lasting durability. You'll love how easy it is to use. Simply place the mold in the dishwasher or wash it by hand. This makes maintenance effortless, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations with friends and family. Create 9 perfectly shaped bars at once. It's great for cakes, chocolate, pudding, and more. It's also a great Valentine's Day gift for bakers. What we like? This mold's flexible, non-stick design makes removing your creations a snap, preventing any damage. It's perfect for making mini Swiss rolls, chocolate desserts, and more. If you enjoy making intricate desserts and want a mold that is easy to use and clean, you should consider it. What people say. I use these molds to make homemade suet for the birds in the winter. They work great and I have no problems popping the suet out after I freeze them. Just as expected, they worked great for making Twinkies. I used this mold for the insert of my Yule log. It worked great. I found it easy to clean. Number 3. Baker's Signature 9-inch Parchment Rounds. Are you tired of the hassle of cutting parchment paper? These pre-cut, unbleached baking sheets from Baker's Signature are just right for your 9-inch pans. They are extra durable and come with convenient lift tabs. These sheets won't curl, stick, or burn, making your baking experience effortless. Removing your baked goods is a breeze. Let your delicious recipes come to life with ease. These sheets are greaseproof, waterproof, and non-toxic. They can withstand high temperatures, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Both sides are coated with a non-toxic silicone coating, making it a safe choice for your baking needs. Made from natural wood pulp, these parchment sheets are a healthier alternative. They are not chemically bleached like other brands. Make cleanup easier than ever with these convenient sheets. Forget messy kitchen closets. These 9-inch paper rounds come in a beautiful box with a resealable bag. They have many uses beyond baking cakes, such as preparing hamburgers and lining air fryers. At Baker's Signature, customer satisfaction is a priority. If for any reason these baking sheets don't meet your expectations, let us know. These products are crafted from carefully selected materials, ensuring quality for years to come. What we like. These pre-cut parchment rounds save you the hassle of cutting your own liners. They are non-stick and safe, ensuring your food slides right off. If you are tired of struggling with cutting parchment paper and want a healthier option for your baking, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The cake was beautifully decorated. The flavors were well balanced and delicious. The texture was perfect. Number 2. Mama's Pastries, Cakes and Desserts. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Mama's Pastries. It's a place where every cake and dessert is made with love and care. You're in for a treat. Mama's Pastries offers a delightful selection of cakes and desserts. Each item is crafted to perfection, using only the finest ingredients. Prepare your taste buds for an unforgettable experience. These pastries are made with traditional recipes. The flavors are authentic and the textures are simply divine. It's like a warm hug in every bite. Every pastry is made with love and attention to detail. From the first step to the final decoration, they pour their heart into it. You can taste the difference. It's time to indulge yourself with Mama's Pastries. Whether you're celebrating or simply treating yourself, it's the perfect choice. Go ahead, you deserve it. What we like. This book is all about gâteaux and entremet. It's a great way to learn about French pastry. If you are looking for a high-quality book, you should consider this. What people say. The cake was beautifully decorated. The flavors were well balanced and delicious. The texture was perfect. Number 1. Silpat Entremet Silicone Baking Pan. This is the Silpat Entremet Silicone Baking Pan. It's designed for creating beautiful and delicious entremet. With this, you can easily make stunning desserts. The pan is made of flexible silicone. It's also non-stick, which means your baked goods will release effortlessly. Cleaning is a breeze too. This pan is specifically designed for entremet. It helps you achieve the perfect shape and layers for your desserts. It's a must-have for any baker. The Silpat pan is durable and reusable. You can use it again and again for all your baking needs. It's a great investment for your kitchen. With the Silpat Entremet Silicone Baking Pan, you can create professional-looking desserts at home. It makes baking easier and more enjoyable. Get ready to impress your friends and family. What we like. This silicone baking pan is specifically designed for making entremet. It is made of silicone material. If you are looking for an easy-to-use pan, you should consider this. What people say. It is great that no matter what you cook on it that it just wipes clean, even cooking ribs. I place mine on upside-down wire cooling racks for stability and better heat circulation. Easy cleanup and the food cooks beautifully. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.